Step 1. Click on the link which is shared with you over WhatsApp, email, social media platforms. Step 2. You might find the OTP in spam or normal mail inbox. Step 3. After submitting OTP under Select Service, click on File ITR. Step 4. Click on Add Member and fill all the details correctly and click on Save the Members. Step 5. Please enter your NRO Saving Bank account details. Step 6. After successfully adding the member, click on File ITR. Step 7. Upload all your relevant documents regarding the income earned in India. Step 8. In case you want to add additional file, repeat the same steps. Step 9. After submitting the required documents, proceed to the payment gateway. Step 10. After successful submission, you'll be redirected to a new page with a confirmation message. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your ITR return. Now relax, our team will reach out to you. There are 2 payment plans for NRIs as per their income. Number 1. 1,199 Indian rupees, all income earned in India excluding capital gains. Number 2. 2,199 Indian rupees, all income earned in India including capital gains. Support. In case any difficulties or technical issues, contact NRI support at filameriturn.co.in.